Good afternoon, everyone. Yes, hi. Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Okay. Let us start now. Yes, it is already time. Let us start this topic. So, little bit late it was. Okay. Hi. Hi, everyone. Okay. Hi, everyone. So, in the previous question, what I have learned that we will continue now. So, let me have that question. Before that, let us start with the intro. Welcome to PSM Perfect Solution Math. I'm your tutor Sumant here. So this is the today we are going to learn the next topic that yesterday we have finished till here, that is using the previous one, the fifth one question I have already finished. So now I have to move on to the next question. So I think all of you are ready for the next one. There is an equation in pair of linear equation in two variables, that is a question. The last one 3.6, that we have finished the fifth one, and I have to yesterday I have told you that which one I'm going to solve for the next. So here I have marked the question. So today I have to solve the seventh problem, because the fifth problem I have already solved. So I have to solve the seventh problem, and I have already informed that fifth one and sixth one are similar. The sixth one I have given as a homework for you. Seventh and eighth one, in that seventh one I will solve. The eighth one is also for your homework, remember. So seventh problem little bit different we have. Yesterday I only have informed you. So what is the different it have is, here we have to solve this question twice. We have to find the value of p and q ones, then again we have to find the value of x and y separately. So here you are going to calculate two times for the to find the x and y value. So let us take that eighth question. Okay, so write down that eighth question. Okay, eighth question is, that is first main eighth question. Sorry, seventh question, not eighth. Seventh question. Seventh question is 10 by x plus y plus 2 by x minus y is equals to 4. And second equation what we have is 15 by x plus y, and one more we have minus 5 by x minus y, that is equals to minus 2. These are the two questions, and all of you can hear and you can see the display correctly. Yes, no problem with the display, and This one. Yes, proper it is. Yes. Okay, no problem then. Let us continue. So in this question, when you will check it clearly, here one thing is similar, that is the denominators. The denominator, if you look glance it correctly, here on the one side we have x plus y, and here we also have the x plus y itself. So both the side we have x plus y, so no problem with that. Similarly, on the other side we have x minus y, and here also we have x minus y. So this is the most important part. So in the previous question and all, we had only x or only y, but here otherwise we might have had like this way 5 divided by x and plus 7 divided by y, like this way we had. But in this case we have 10 divided by x plus y. See here, two variables are combined together, and before that also we had one more we had that 5 divided by x minus 2, but that time we had the numbers. In the fifth question we had the numbers, but in this case we are not having the numbers, we have the two subset variables. So what we have to do? Yes, correct. So here we have to use the same method of taking that p and q. Okay, we have to take the same method, that is a p and q only we have to apply. Then how to solve that p and q. Very good. That is coding pro who are you? So very good. So that is the answer we are going to have. We can take the a and b or p and q. Let me have that a and p and q only. So here we have to write down this equation in a form of 10 into 1 divided by x plus y, and here we have to take 2 into, so here I have to 2 into 1 divided by x minus y. This is the first step what we have to follow, that is equals to 4, and the other hand we have to solve the similar way, 15 into 1 divided by x plus y, and here minus we have minus 5 into 1 divided by x minus y, we have to write down as it is, that is equals to minus 2. So these are the things we have to do it, and very good. That is the next one part is similar. So x plus y, I have told you 1 by x plus y is here, and 1 plus s by x plus y is here. And similarly 1 by x minus y, and here also 1 divided by x minus y. So let us take that as p and q. So put 1 divided by x plus y is equals to p, and 1 divided by x minus y is equals to q. You can take the p and q, or you can take the a and b also. It is left to you, anything you can take. So the equation will form in terms of 10. This equation will form in terms of 10p plus 2q is equals to 4. That is our equation number 1. And similarly, we are going to get that one more equation in terms of 15p minus 5q is equals to minus 2. This is our second equation. So we found that equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, now we have to compare that equation, and we have to solve for the p and q value. Let us solve what we have done previously, the same thing we have to follow. So elimination method or any one method, whichever method is easy for you, can go for that. So I will go for the elimination method. So I have to write in here by elimination method. So 10p, so 10p plus 2q is equals to 4, and next one 15p minus 5q is equals to minus 2. This is the most importantly we have to follow like this way. And next one very again is elimination method we are following, and we must have the same coefficient here. Here we are not finding any same coefficient for p and q itself, so we have to multiply them. So multiply them with the suitable coefficient. So here I will multiply with the 5, and here I will multiply with the 2, because the p q value what we have, that we can cancel it out. Yes. So multiply and find the answer. Very good, Nagashri. So here 5 have to multiply for whole. This all the things I have to multiply. 5 into 10 is 50p plus 5 into 2 is 10q. That is equals to 5 for the 20. The first step. And the second step is the 2 I have to multiply for whole. So 2 into 15 is 30p, minus we have, yes, 2 5 are 10, 10 cube are going to get, and lastly minus 4. So this is the next step what we have got. So next step is very important again. So next step is, see here, we have to see the symbols and signs we have to see for the q. Here we have 10q and here also we have 10q, and signs are different, so no need to subtract now. We have to follow the same procedure and we have to find the answer. So this directly have to add them. So 50 plus 30 is nothing but 80p, and 10q and 10q get cancelled, and the answer over here is 16. 20 minus 4 is 16. Okay, so here next continuation part, we are adding the two numbers here. Yes, very good. So here we have to find the p value. So p value is nothing but 16. This 80 I have to shift on the other side, it will divide. So 16 divided by 80. So if you will do the calculation, 16 ones are 16 fives are. Okay, so p value obviously 1 by 5. We found the p value as 1 by 5. That is our first answer. That is only the p value we have found. Yes. So now we have to find the q value. So q value to find means we have to substitute any one of the equation 1 or equation 2, we have to substitute that p value. So better you go for the equation anyone, equation 1, equation 2, go for it. So substitute p in equation 1. Substitute p in equation 1. So equation 1 I will write it down, 10p plus 2q is equals to 4. I will take it down now screen. So now I have to substitute that p value in this. So 10 into p value we know that 1 by 5. So here only we have found that, plus 2q is equals to 4. So here what will happen, this 5 ones are 5 twos are 10. So here is left is 2 ones are 2, and here we have got is 2q is equals to 4. So 2q is equals to 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. So q value will become, you have to shift that 2 on the other side. When you shift that 2 on the other side, it will divide. So q is equals to 2 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2 is nothing but 1. So q value we found as 1. So here we found the p value and q value. So both the value of p and q if you have found means you can find the x and y value, that is x plus y. What is the p value, substitute that, and what is the q value, substitute that. So let us have that p and q, let us write down here. P value we found as what, 1 by 5. So let we write down that p value is 1 by 5, and similarly we have found the q value as 1. So I have written separately because we have to find next one. So what we have taken as a p as, we have taken the p as what, that is most important. Yes, we have taken the p as, here we have, yes, here you can see the p we have taken as 1 by x plus y, and q as 1 by x minus y. This is most important now. Substitute in the place of p and q. This value, that is p and q value, substitute in the p and q value. So p is equals to 1 by x, 1 by x plus y. So p is nothing but 1 by x plus y, that is equals to 1 by 5. Similarly, q value is nothing but 1 by x minus y, bracket you can put, that is equals to 1. Okay, this is the answer we have got, but we have not, they have not told you to find the p and q value, they have told you to find the x and y value. So let me have that x plus y on the other side. So this pi also will go up. Similarly, x minus y will go up. So here the number is 1, that is in the denominator, that is also will go up. This one will come down, this one will come down, it will be remain same. So x plus y is equals to 5 by 1. 5 by 1 is 5 only. So x minus y, what we got here is, this will went up and 1 we came down. So x by y divided by 1 is x by y only, x minus y only. So 1 by 1 is 1 itself. So here we got again in terms of x and y. In the previous cases what we have solved, there we are getting it as in terms of final answer x and y. But here we have not got that x and y value, but in terms of x plus y we got, and in terms of x minus y we have got. So now what is the next step? Next step is simple. Go for again elimination method. Second time we have to go for the elimination method. 2 times we have to substitute that elimination method. So we have to find the answer. So elimination method. By elimination method, second time we have to go, because here in terms of x and y we got now. So x plus y is equals to 5, and here x minus y is equals to 1 we have got. So subtract them and find the final answer. Okay, you can subtract them or you can add, because y and y get cancelled directly. It is left to you, anything you can do, because both the coefficients are same. X coefficient is also same and y coefficient is also same. So I will go for the y x to cancel. So here you can see x minus x is get cancelled, so plus y, remember new sign, not the old sign, the new sign is plus. So y plus y is 2y, that is equals to 5 minus 1, 5 minus 1 is 4. So y is equals to 4, this 2 will divide. So 4 by 2 is nothing but 2. Sorry, yes, 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are, so y value will become 2. Similarly, we have to substitute this y value in any one of the equation. So I will substitute that in the equation number 1 or 2, any, sorry, 3 and 4, anyone. So substitute y value in equation 1. I will substitute. The equation 1 is x plus y is equal to 5. So x plus y value is 2, that is equal to 5. So x is equal to 5 minus 2, because 2 I have shifted on the other side. So 5 minus 2 is nothing but 3. So we found that x value is 3 and y value is 2. So this is the answer for your question. I hope you don't have any doubt regarding this. Anyone have a doubt in this? So easily you can find it, not a difficult one. Easily you can find it. Those who have a doubt, you can ask me. Anyone have a doubt? No doubt. So the eighth one you will solve. The eighth one was given as a homework that we will solve. So here we have to do 2 times method. The elimination method we have to solve it. Yes, and eighth one you have that you have to solve as a homework. So eighth question I will give you once, write it down once, because it is the most important question once again. Eighth question I will not solve, you have to solve, but I want that what the method you will follow, for that I want to know. So it is 1 divided by 3 plus x, 3x plus y, plus 1 divided by 3x minus y is equal to 3 by 4. The numbers are very big here. So remember here the fraction values they have given. And one more equation they have given as 1 by 2 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 3x minus y is equals to minus 1 by 8. So these are the questions they have given the 8th question. And when you are checking that 8th question, just to go through it, which are the things are equal here. See, on the first side we have this one and this one is equal, not this two. And second part, when you are going here, you can see 3x minus y and here 3x minus y are equal. Okay, so what is the equation will be? So here it will become 1 divided by 1 3x plus y, and here it will be 1 divided by 3x minus y, that is equal to 3 by 4. The 1 is common outside. Here like that only 1 by 2 will come outside and 1 divided by 3x plus y, and on the other hand 1 by 2 will remain, 1 divided by 3x minus y, that is equal to minus 1 by 8. So here this whole value you have to take as x, sorry, p, and this one have to take as a p. Similarly on the other hand 1 divided by 3x minus y, this one you have to take as a q, and this one you have to take as a q. Remember this, and only this is the thing, and you can solve this very easily. If you have a doubt, you can ask me, otherwise you can continue this. But listen here, when you are solving this type of problem, when you are having that x and y in a same type, in the same here, the same here we have x and y once again, that we are taking the p, so we have to solve it twice, not only once, we have to solve it twice. That's all. So try to solve this by tomorrow, and I will ask you the questions regarding this. Let me continue with the next second main. Second main questions are very important again. So here is the question. Second main, there are 3 questions. In that the first question is here. So I think you can check it very correctly. No problem with that. Yes, you can check it. Yes. No response from you means I can't understand you are listening or you are doing some other work. And like this way questions you will have for your exam for 4 marks. You can note it down. These type of questions are coming for the 4 marks question. So this is a very important question now. So what is given actually here? See, before going to the question, I want to clarify your doubt. And here, when you will see, all of you concentrate here, don't write anything, or just you concentrate here. Why I'm saying that is, here the question is not so simple. Ritu can row downstream 20 km in hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Okay, find the speed of rowing in still water and the speed of the current. So this is the thing, several things they have added together in a small two sentence. In two sentence they have added several things for you. So don't open your textbook, don't see any one of the Google or anything, just you have to answer to me whether you have understood this question or you have not understood this question, because the question is not so direct form, it is indirect form of question. So how many of you understood this? You have to tell me. Otherwise, you have to tell me you have not understood. Sincerely, you have to tell me. So don't check the any other note book or anything. Just you have to answer. You understood means yes. If you are not understood, you have to tell me not understood. Only read the statement, the sentence what they have given. Anyone understood what the question is and what it is? You are check. Don't check the answer from anywhere. Just you have to answer to me. All of you make my video live. I'm not getting any response from you. So what is the thing is going on? Little bit understood. Okay, one student have given that little bit understood, not total. So here you can see Ritu is the girl. She is rowing a boat. You may know that rowing boat means it is a boat in water. It is moving. Okay, once how to sit inside and how to paddle them. And paddle means in hand that will be on stick like that way, and how to move forward. So this is the way the girl is moving, and there is a downstream. Downstream is nothing but the way is down like this way. It is a downwards, and the water is flowing from up. The water is flowing from up. So she is rowing here. So my drawing is not so good, so you can understand she is rowing here. So there will be a like a boat, and she is sitting and rowing one the thing. So she is moving faster. Okay, now she is going downstream at for the 20 kilometers. So here distance is 20 kilometer. She is moving at the of the distance of 20 kilometer. Okay, in how many hours? Okay, how many hours she will take for rowing upward? That is only 1 hour. Okay, 2 hours. Sorry, it is a 2 hours. Huh? In 2 hours, here there is a word two. Here I have not written here. This is two here. In 2 hours, not 1 hour. It is 2 hours. I have missed that. So it is in a 2 hours they have given. Okay. The time taken for her to go down is within 2 hours. Not 1 hour. It is 2 hours. Okay. So this is the downstream. So I have to draw a little bit differently now for your understanding purpose. And next one we have the next question. See, and upstream. Upstream means the same way. It is like this way only. But now she is not going downward. She is going upward. The boat is here, and she is rowing that upward. Means she is going upward, and the distance she will cover here is. So I will write down that distance also. So distance she will cover here is 4 km. In time taken by her is 2 hours. Once again. Okay, the time is same, but the distance covered is little bit different. Why the difference between this? The distance here is 20 kilometers she will row within 2 hours, but in this case she is rowing 4 kilometers within 2 hours. Why this is the difference? Will you say that? It is making the difference? And you can find any difference between this? Why there is a difference between this? One is 20 kilometers she will row in 2 hours, and one more she is rowing only 4 kilometers in 2 hours. Why it is so difference? Why is the difference between them? Why the difference? I want to know. The same timing, the 2 hours, and here also 2 hours. Then the distance must be same, no? Why the distance is different? Anyone? You can use your brain. Yes, because she is moving from down to up. Yes, there is a force also. Yes, it is a like a science now. So she is going downward. So for example, no need for that force and all. Don't want that force and all. So if you are going, you are using a bicycle and you are going downward. Means in a slope, you are going downward from the up to bottom. What is will be your speed? Whether the speed will be same or it will be increasing. For example, in a straight road you are going with the 40 kilometer per hour. Okay, don't want that 40, it will be more, so I will take one more less, little bit less. So you are going with the 15 kilometer per hour speed. Okay, in a same straight road you are going with the 15 kilometer per hour same speed, and in the down, whether your speed will be 15 kilometer per hour only, or whether it will be increasing when you are going downwards. Means there is a slope and you are going downward, whether it will be increasing or decreasing, or same it is, whether it will be 15 kilometer only or whether it will be 15 kilometer and more than 15 kilometer, plus it will be, or less than 15 kilometer. Yes, it will increase because there is some speed in a down also. So it, for example, that downstream, the down slope, it will be 6 kilometer per hour. Okay, there is a down, what is the speed of that? 6 kilometer per hour. Your speed will be 15 plus 6, that is totally 21 kilometer per hour speed you are moving. You are moving with the 21 kilometer speed because the 6 kilometer is extra, that is downstream. Okay, similarly, if similar way, if you are climbing that same slope, you are climbing the same slope, means you are going now upward, whether your speed will be 15 kilometer only or whether your speed will be 21 kilometer per hour, or it will decrease when you are going upward. Same bicycle you have and you are moving, yes, it will be decreasing. So your speed in a straight road, it was a 15 kilometer, but the speed of the slope is 6 kilometer per hour. So your total speed will be 9 kilometer per hour. So your speed will be decreasing because you have to put a maximum force to climb, so it will decrease. Same thing is going on here, same thing is going on. What is that? She doesn't have a bicycle, instead of bicycle she have a boat. In a boat, if she is moving in a straight road, means not straight road, in a still water, in a still water, this is called still water. Still water means the water which is not having any force. Okay, so in still water her speed they have not mentioned, so it will be increasing in a downstream, it will be decreasing in a upstream, but in still water it remains same. In still water it will remain same. So in still water, let her speed may be x, let her speed may be what? X kilometer per hour, because we don't know no, how much kilometers she is moving. So speed of the water, still water, she is rowing, speed of the rowing in a still water may be, let we take as x. So the speed of the current they have asked, so let we us take one solution for this. Solution: let speed of rowing in still water, we will take as x kilometer per hour. We are going to take here x kilometer per hour. Okay, so next one, we have to find one more speed of the current. So speed of the current also we will take, speed of the current. What is the current here? Not it is the electricity current, it is not the electricity current. The current refers to here the speed of the water flowing downward. Okay, the water flowing downward, no speed is there, no? That we will call as a current. Okay, so that is, yes, reverse speed what you have, that we have taken the y. Let us take them as a y. So now first question for you: in downstream the speed will increase. What will be the speed of the downstream? For the statement 1, by statement 1 we have the statement 1, Ritu row the downstream for the 20 km in 2 hours. In that, speed of the downstream you have to tell me. Before that I will write it on. Distance she covered is equals to 20 km, and time taken I will take the t1. So here I will take the d1 because distance are 2 are there, no? So t1 and d1 I will take, that is 2 hours. Now you tell me what is the speed of the downstream, whether the downstream speed will increase or decrease. Whether downstream speed what we have, the stream what we have, that will decrease or increase. Yes, it will increase. By what? Still water speed, sorry, speed of the boat in a still water is x. Yes, speed of the rowing in a still water is x, so it will increase by y, so it is x plus y. So in a downstream the speed will become x plus y. Similarly, in a upstream the speed will become x minus y, because you have, it will decrease, your speed will be decreased through the stream. So it will be in upstream, when it will going, it will be x minus y. This one you have to understand. Okay, these two things if you have understood, it is good. Downstream means x minus y, the speed of your boat minus the stream. Similarly on the downstream, speed of the boat plus your stream water speed, that is x plus y. So these are the two things we have to understand. So this is the first thing I have written, and I will rub the thing what I have written on this side, because I have to write one more statement over there. Okay, now I will write down the second statement by statement 2. By statement 2. So in the statement 2, if you will see it clearly, upstream 4 km in 2 hours upstream. So distance now covered. Distance covered by her, or she covered. For the second statement, this is distance 2, so I will take the d2, that is equals to, so distance here she have covered is 4 km only. So here you can, they have given 4 km only. The time taken is little bit less, same time it is time taken, that I will take the t2, that is equals to 2 hours. The same timings we have, but now the speed will difference. Speed of upstream I have already given to you. When it will come upstream, means you are moving upward, your speed minus the stream speed, so it will decrease, so x minus 5. Any doubt regarding this? When you are coming downwards, your board speed plus the stream of the slope, it is x plus y, increase. So this one you can understand it, x plus y means upstream, sorry, downstream, you are going downwards, and when you are going upward, this one you can understand it. Okay, let me have continuation of this. Yes, so next one, they have told us to find the x and y value, speed of the stream, still water, and speed of the current also. So let us have that. Okay, now let us have in a statement form. So speed is equals to distance by time, you know that already the formula. Same formula we have to apply here, and we have to find the answer. So speed is equals to, according to this, speed is equals to distance by time. Yes, no doubt at all. So speed we have taken as x plus y, and distance here is 20 km. We have went downwards, divided by 2. So x plus y is equals to 20 divided by 2 is how much? 2 ones are 2, 10s are. So answer is 10. Okay, so this is our equation number 1. We have found the one equation very easily. Similarly, we have to move on to the next one question. Yes, x plus y is equals to 10. First equation. Second equation also we have. Again we will take the speed is equals to distance to divided by time to distance by time, again same formula, but distance is over here 4 kilometer and time taken here is 2. The speed we have taken is x minus y. Now if you will calculate correctly, x minus y is equals to 2 and 4 we have, that can be cancelled. 2 ones are 2 twos are, so answer will be how much? 2. This is our equation number 2. So I hope you don't have any doubt in this now. Anyone have a doubt in this? Anyone have a doubt? No. So let us calculate this. So by elimination method, simple one it is. X plus y is equals to 10. X minus y is equals to 2. So here you can see the coefficient are similar for x and y. Both the coefficient are similar only. No problem at all. No need to change the sign because here signs are same for the y. So y get cancelled. So x plus x is 2x. We can have to add them because we are not subtracting them. Here also we have to add them. It will be 12. So x is equals to 12 divided by 2. So x is equals to 6. So here these 2 ones are 2 6 are, it get cancelled. Similarly we have to find the value for y also. So substitute this value in any one of the equation. Substitute x value in equation 1 or 2, left to you. So I will substitute in 1. So x plus y is equals to 10. So x value we know that 6 plus y value is don't know. So y is equals to 10. So y is equals to 10 minus 6. So y value is equals to 4. So this is our x and y value and this is our answer. But lastly concluding statement is very important. So what is that concluding statement? Here we have what is that x and y. X we have taken as speed of the still rowing of the still water, that is x, and speed of the current we have taken as y. Let us write down that final answer. The speed of rowing in still water is equals to x, that is equals to 6 kilometer per hour. See, this is a unit also very important, half marks fall in it. Then speed of the current is nothing but we have taken the y, that is equals to 4 we have got. So 4 kilometer per hour. That is our answer. Very good. So those who have doubt you can ask me quickly. Those who have doubt you can ask me quickly, otherwise we will continue. See the second question what we have, little bit a big question. So I will tell you the second question. Second question what we have, little bit a big question. So you have to understand this first one. If you understand the first one, then only it is possible to go for the second one. Understood? Okay. If you don't have any doubt means I will continue with the second one. So second one we will continue now. You have written yes? Okay. Only 1 minute. Okay, let me have that question once again. The second question what we have here, see there is a question, if we will compare it correctly, okay, you can check it correctly. I think two women and five men can together finish a embroidery work in 4 days, while women and six men can finish it in three days. Find the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work, and also that taken by one man to alone. So this is a question they have given, and this type of question what you have, this type of question what you have, no, that is coming for your aptitude questions also. Any one of the aptitude questions you are going to apply for any exam, no? Yes, technical point, hello. So any type of question you are applying for any examination after finishing your PUC and all, you may have find this like this question. So how to solve this type of question is very important now. In 10th only they have introduced for you. This is a good thing for you. But this is always solving this problem is not like a direct form. It is little bit indirectly how to move. Okay. So what is that thing we have to do here? So here you can see the question is not direct. They have used here two women and five men. Together can do and finish an embroidery work in 4 days. So there are, so I am writing rough work for you. Just you don't write on this, just you concentrate here. There are two women, very good technical point. So here two women's are there and five men. Together they can finish one work, that embroidery work, in how many days? 4 days. This is the most important thing, you have to note it down. So next one we have one more thing, three women. So there are three women and there are six men now, together can do this work in how many days? 3 days it seems. So this is the two things they have given, and they have told you to find how many days is required for one woman to finish that same work. To finish the same work, how many days is required? Similarly for one man also, how many days are required to finish the same work? So see here, one thing clearly I will tell you, the work, if peoples are more, the time taken will be less. Understood? No? If for example, if you have to do one activity, only one person have to do one activity in 20 days. In how many days? 20 days. Okay, so if you are alone, you are doing it in 20 days. If there are two members, how many days required to complete that work? How many days are required to complete that work? How many days are required to complete that work? Quickly, if one person have to complete within 20 days means, so there are two members now, so how many days it will take to complete? Yes, it will take only 10 days. Means as the numbers of people increases, the days will decrease. The days will decrease. Okay, that you have learnt in 8th standard and 7th standard. So proportions, direct proportion, inverse proportion, you have learned. In that, the same thing you have to going to apply. So as the people increases, the days also, days decreases. Okay, people increases, days decreases. Similar way here, two men and five men. If you have one more question, if there are two person, one person is there, he can finish the same work within 20 days, and one more person is there, the second person, he can finish that work, same work, but he will take more than 20 days, he will take the 30 days. Means his work is faster than his faster is not fast, is slow, he is slow, because the first person will finish faster than this a person, the second person. Okay, so this is the way here also. So women who are there, they can finish the work a little bit faster than the men, those who will finish, that may be possibility we have. So they have given a sub separately, they have not given a same person, they have given sub separately. Okay, there is a possibility of having the faster and slower. So here one thing you remember, this type of same question they have given previously in your textbook only. Which is that question, do you know? Same type of question they have given, and you have to solve that problem, last exercise only. So do you know which question it was? Same question. So that time also there is in terms of hours, the 10 hours. Then you have done something else for this. Okay, if I give you the clue, you will answer now. So there was a question called the filling the tank by the small tap and by the same tank with the big diameter tap. Yes, you had that. So this small tap was completing within 25 hours, filling that in 25 hours, and this was 15 hours. So that time what you had did, 1 divided by 25 written means 1 divided by x you have written, and here you have written 1 divided by y. You might have remembered this. Yes, you had this type of problem, or it is a quadratic formula. You had, okay, you are listening. I am not getting any answers from you means I can't understand whether you are getting or not. You are getting it? Okay. Let us have this type of questions now once again. So I will explain to you, don't worry. So here we will take what they have told us to find, that we will take as x, and one more we will take as a y. So here we will take the solution. One woman alone finished the work. So time taken by one woman alone to finish the work as x, we will take as a x. So x days we will take. So similarly we will go for the next one. Second one, what they have told you to do, also that of taken by one man. The time taken by one man alone to finish the work, that we will take as a y days. Okay, this is the thing they have told you to find, so we will take as a x and y. First step is finished. What is the next step? According to the statement, okay, see, for example, one woman will finish one work in x days means how much portion of the work she will finish in one day. For example, if you are given the assignment to write, you want to write down this assignment, you will take 4 days. Okay, you will take the 4 days to complete one assignment. In one day, how much you are going to finish it? How much you are going to finish in one day? Same proportionally you are dividing it and you are doing that work means you need one total assignment to finish within 4 days. So in one day, how much you are going to finish? 1/4. Yes, you have to do this 1/4 you will finish in one day. Okay, means what you have done? Yes, what you have done here? The assignment finished in one day is equals to this 4 you have taken as 1 divided by 4, means this 4 you have taken to the denominator. Similarly, if there is a girl, she is taking to complete a work in x days. She will complete in how many days? X days. Yes, in x days. So how much she will finish in one day? How much she will finish in one day? 1 by x, very good. That is 1 by x she will finish in one day. Similar, there is a one boy, so one man is there, so he will finish his whole work in y days. How much he will finish in one day? How much he will finish in one day? How much he will finish in one day? 1 by y. Yes, very good. That is 1 by y. So this is the way we are going to apply here. So this is a portion we are going to apply. Same question we will write down like this way. The portion of work finished by one woman in one day equals to 1 by x. Similarly, the portion of work finished by man in one day is equals to 1 by y. So portion of work finished by one woman in one day is equal to 1 by x. Similarly, the man is what? 1 by y. Anyone have a doubt in this? You can ask me. 1 by x, portion of the work is finished by that one woman, and one man is finishing 1 by y. Those who have a doubt here, you can ask me. Anyone have a doubt? Okay. So here is the tally of the one man and one woman. But according to the question, first statement they have given there are how many women? Two women and five men. Together can finish the embroidery work in how many days? 4 days. So this one we can write it down. Two women. So two times one woman will complete one work. How many? One in one day? How much portion she will complete? So one woman will complete in 1 by x days. So there are two women. So how much time it will take? How much portion of the work will be finished in one day? How much portion of the work will be finished in one day? If there is two women, so one woman will finish 1 by x. So one more woman will finish 1 by x once again. So it will be 2 times x. 2 by 1 by x. So here also similar. 2 into 1 by x plus. Again how many men are there? There are 5 men again. So the men will complete is 5 men we are going to complete per day 1 by y. So it will be 5 into 1 by y. That is equals to number of work, portion of work completed in one day. So here they are completing together, they are completing the work in 4 days. They are completing the work in 4 days. But in one day, how much the portion it will complete? To complete this work, the two women and 5 men will take several days, that is 4 days they will take. So within one day, how much they will complete? Within one day, how much they will going to complete? Within one day, how much they are going to complete? 1/4. So the answer will be 1 by 4. So this is the equation. This is the equation of the first equation. So the equation will become 2 into 1 by x, 5 into 1 by y is equal to 1 by 4. So this is very important. So if you understood this, you can move further. This is our equation number 1. Similarly, on the other hand, there are 3 women and 6 men can complete the same work in 3 days it seems. So what about the second equation will be? What will be the second equation will be? So there are now women's are increased. Women's are increased by how much? 3 women. So 3 into 1 by x. So one day one woman will work 1 by x. So 3 times it is plus 6 men. Now 6 divided by, in one day they will work 1 by y. So 6 times 6 men are there. So 6 times it will be increased. That is equals to they will take total days is 3 days. So in one day how much they will finish? 1/3. So 1 by 3. This is our equation number 2. So these are the two equations. By the equation we have found, yes, this is the two equation we have found. So we have to find the answer now using the same method, reducible linear equation. Okay, that is the form what we have, that in that we have to write. And here don't write down directly 4. Sometime what we will do, directly we will write down 4. If we write down directly 4, it is wrong. It is not 4. This 4 days it will take, but you are finding only for one day. This all this thing what we have taken, no? This is for one day. How much work they will do? In one day, how much work they will do? There are one woman will do 1 by x work, but there are two women. 1 by y work they will do in 5 men are there. Here 1 by x the work they will do by one woman, but there are 3 women. Here 1 by y work will be done by 6 men, but there are 6 men are here. So days it will be 1 by 3. Okay, this is the way how to represent that equation by statement form. So now let us continue further. So similar, now you understood now what you have to do next. What you have to do next, you have understood. No problem at all. Yes, you understood now. So it is equation form. We have to reduce that equation. So let us put put 1 by x is equals to p and 1 by y is equals to q. Yes, this is simple way. 1 by x we have, here also 1 by x we have, here also 1 by y we have, and here also 1 by y we have. Substitute and find the final answer. So it will become, okay, she had given that answer Sneha, it was deleted. Okay, okay, it is correct. 1 by x is p and 1 by y is q, that we have to substitute. And what is the equation will become? 2 into p plus 5 into q is equals to 1 by 4. On the other hand, we have got 3 into p plus 6 into q, that is equals to 1 by 3. So let me have the final answer. So here one thing you remember, this 4 you have to take it from here. Take it from here means on the right hand side you can shift. Yes, on the right, left hand side you can shift. It will become multiplication. So this 4 you multiply for a whole. And this 3 also you have to shift on the right hand side and make the calculation and make it simple. So what will happen? 4 to the 8 p plus 4 5 the 20 q, that is equals to 1. Only it is remaining 1. And on the other hand also similar, 3 3 is a 9 p, 3 3 is a 9 p plus 3 6 the 18 q, that is equals to 1. Okay, now let us go with this any one of the method. Any one method you can do. So 8p plus 20q is equals to 1. Then 9p plus 18q is equals to 1. So simplify this. Okay, 8th class. Okay, one more madam is teaching that 8th class for you. So you can go through that. And here simplification further is possible. But here the same numbers are, coefficient are not here. So we have to make the same coefficient. So what we will do is a multiplication the same numbers. So if you will see it here we have to multiply 9 and here we have to write on 8. So coefficient of p I am taking. So 9 8 is 72, 72p plus 9 2 is 18, 180q, that is equal to 9 1s are 9. On the other hand, 8 9 is 72p plus 8 18s are how much? 8 18s are how much? 1. Quickly. Yes. Okay. Quickly answer. 18 8s are quickly. Anyone? Quickly. Yes, 144. So some of the students are not answering why. 144q, that is equals to we have 8 1s are 8. So subtract them. So negative, here negative and here negative. So get cancelled. Here it will be 180 minus 144. You are going to get the 36q, and 9 minus 1 is 9 minus 8 is 1. So here we are going to get 36 q is equals to 1. So q value will become 1 divided by 36. Q value will become 1 divided by 36. That is the q value we have found. So similarly we have to find the p value. So substitute in any one of the equations. So here you can substitute, or here you can substitute, anywhere you can substitute to find the p value. Yes, substitute q in any one of this equation. Means here we have no, that's 8p plus 20q is equals to 1. In that also you can substitute, or you can substitute in this also. So it is better to substitute in equation 2, not equation 2, that is the one more we have here, that in this you can substitute in 9q plus 18, so 9p plus 18q is equals to 1. So 9p, let it be as it is, 18 keep it as it is, into we have q value is 1 by 36 is equals to 1. Then what will have going to happen? 9p will be remaining, 9p will be remaining. This 18 ones are and 18 twos are get cancelled. So it will remain 1 by 2 is equals to 1. So 9p is equals to 1 minus half. This half I'm shifting on the other side, it will become minus half. And what is the final answer we are going to get is here 9p will remain as it is. Yes, it is the LCM we have to take. The 2 is the LCM, so 2 ones are 2, 2 minus 1, so answer will be 1 by 2, that is equals to 9p. So p value will become, half will remain here, that 9 will go to the denominator, so it will multiply with the denominator, so 1 by 18, the p value will become 1 by 18. So we found the p and q value, remember that q value is 1 by 36, so I will write down the q value here, q value will be 1 by 36 and the p value is 1 by 18. So according to that we have to find the x and y value. So what we have taken as a p is equals to, so if you will see p is equals to, here we have 1 by x and q is equal to 1 by y. So substitute that value. P value is equal to 1 by x is equal to 1 by 18 and q value is 1 by y, that is equal to 1 by 36. So bring it up, 18 you can bring it up, y bring it up and 36 bring it up. So here the final answer will be x is equal to 18 and the y is equal to 36, because we have to find the x and y value and we have found that. And what is that x? X is nothing but, you can see, the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work is x, that is 18 days. The time taken by alone to finish the work for the man is 36 days, that is the answer. So lastly you write down time taken by one woman to complete work is equals to x, is equals to 18 days. So here the women are very faster than the boys, than the men. So time taken by one man to complete work is equals to y, that is equals to 36 days. This is the final answer. So the number of days have given that and we have found the number of days how much is required to complete the same work. So here is the answer. So those who have any doubt regarding this, you can answer to me. And if it is you are not going to have any doubt, means you can go with the third question as a homework today, and tomorrow I will solve this third question, and this is the last question of this exercise and last question of this whole lesson. Linear equation in two variable, this is the last question what you have. Prepare well, because I have told there is an exam on next Sunday, not this Sunday, on 13th. So prepare well, all the lessons we are going to have, this one as a homework for you today. Tomorrow I will solve this, and tomorrow we will go through this whole lesson once again. Quickly we will glance once again. So tomorrow timing is same at 12 o'clock. See you tomorrow. Till then, take care.